Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by making sure you own the place and are signed into Roblox Studio. This is required. Once done, open the place and enable Team Create from the File menu so changes sync live to the cloud. You must publish the place to Roblox to activate collaboration. This links the local project to the online version. Do this now so everyone edits the same live place, which prevents duplicate files and keeps assets centralized for reliable teamwork. You then invite teammates via game settings under permissions, type usernames, or add an editing group for bulk access. Once added, assign clear roles, give editors edit rights, and reserve admin for final approvals. Make sure to explain who handles scripts, models, and UI so work doesn't overlap. Use version history and comments to document why changes were made. This makes rollbacks safe and avoids confusion when multiple people edit the same objects simultaneously. You now work live. Open the Team Create session and edit. Your teammates see updates instantly, which speeds iteration. Make incremental saves and use version history regularly so you can revert or compare when something breaks. If a conflict or overwrite happens, communicate immediately, download the current backup from the place history, and manually merge divergent changes. Don't rely on automatic merging for scripts. One key troubleshooting tip. If Studio disconnects, rejoin Team Create, then reopen the place from the Roblox site to resync.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.